Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Today I'm here with a project share that I did on Mrs. Gigi's channel on Wednesday, April 7th. And it's a prompt game that her, I, and Zena play every week on Wednesdays at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And here's my two projects that the prompts called for. The first one was this one, I believe, where you had to use a doily, some mesh. I used lace. It looks like mesh here. I used my doily. We put a border. We had a music stamp. We had to do an apple. And I put some ribbon here for a pocket where my apple is, and I have a border down here. Okay, the second set of prompts, we usually do 2 rounds of prompts, time permitting, but this one was a rose or a flower. The background was watercolor, and then postage stamp, butterfly, scrapbook paper, and Q-tips. I did what I wanted to do, and I added "just be you" here for my little saying. This is a die cut here that was sent to me a while back. I can't remember who sent it to me. I'm sorry about that. I took a Sharpie marker, such as this, okay, and I colored in the red area for the rose. And I can't seem to find my red marker. Here we go. This is the red Sharpie I used to do the rose. Then I took the green Sharpie and I did the leaves and stuff all around. Okay. And I took this pen in black and I did my border here, which is a dot and a dash. And I outlined my scrapbook paper all here. And then I took the same thing along with a pen and I drew a postage stamp here, which was one of our prompts. Okay, now the scrapbook paper, I ripped it and made it look kind of shabby, and then I took again a black marker, which is this one here. It's a dry erase marker, and I outlined all the bricks on the scrapbook paper, and I did some doodling with this pen here on the watercolor background because I like the way it came out. Okay, that's this one. And for this one, I used a music stamp for my background. And then some lace fabric tape that I made on my own. I will show how I did this in a later video. I hand done the apple here. And this is some lace fabric. And all I did was just hot glued it to my cardstock here. And then I took a doily, which I purchased from DC Scrap and Rooster, I believe, and put it on there. And here's my two projects from Mrs. Gigi's channel from Wednesday, April 7th, 2021. Here's our prompt game, and this is what I did for that. And what I do is I'm trying to limit myself to doing, certain things like this, okay? So I will say this in closing. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, hit that bigger subscribe button down below and subscribe. And if you haven't, don't forget to ring the notification bell to get notified of when I upload crafting content or when I go live. Also, Be happy, stay happy. Be crafty, stay crafty. Be blessed, stay safe. And I will see you. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now, crafty angels.